Hey YouTubes, how's it going? Just wanted to give you a quick show of what I just purchased that came in the mail. I got the Kuryakyn Black Alley Cat LED fuel gauge and battery gauge. So this replaces the little analog fuel gauge that comes on the Harleys. Has for fuel there and then battery voltage. I bought the matching Alley Cat gas cap. And then I bought the Alley Cat oil dipstick. So that'll end up replacing these two pieces here. And then, of course, the dipsticks down there. So this is not a how-to video. This is just going to show you what I bought. And then I'll show you what it looks like after I'm done. So stay tuned. Alright YouTube, so I just got it done. These are the Kuryakyn Black Alley Cats. Got the fuel here with LEDs and then the voltage of my bike. Got the matching gas cap. I think it looks pretty darn good. Go ahead and get it turned on so you can see what it looks like. Alright. So it looks like I'm at 12 volts right now, and then I'm 2 bars from full, which is right about where I should be. It was a little about 3/4 of the way full. So yeah, it looks pretty good. Very happy. And over here, as you can see, I got the oil cap, the dipstick. She's looking really good. Right now it's 12 degrees outside. So I can't ride it or anything, but that's my project for the day. So if you like what you're seeing, go ahead and subscribe and continue watching my future videos. I'll have plenty more come spring. Thanks for watching.